bat time, same bat channel. You guys ever watch Batman? I used to watch Batman when I was a kid. Same bat time, same bat channel. Holy SpaghettiOs, Batman. Remember those little sayings that Robin used to say. Anyway, guys, let me know, what do you think about these road trip videos? You likes? Is it a yay? Is it a nay? What do you think, guys? But anyway, I just wanted to bring up something that I forgot to mention in my last video, and it's about the dash cams. But guys, you gotta watch out. I mentioned this in my class, in my 5-hour class all the time. Watch out for insurance scammers. There are insurance scammers out there, guys. Those are the type of people that want to get some money, you know, from the insurance. That by doing something, they'll probably make it look like you crashed into them, or do something, or it could be a pedestrian that might just hit the front of your vehicle, and then they say that you hit them. Something, guys. For example, let's say that you guys are at the red light and there's a car in front of you. That car might be an insurance scammer. It might be some, it could be an old beat up car, or maybe, I don't know, a newer car, who knows. But they might put the car in reverse, hit you, and it's gonna be your word against theirs. Because they want to get some money, insurance money. If you have a camera, the proof is in the pudding. Now, if that ever happens, that somebody hits you, reverses into you, hits you, don't tell them that you have a camera. I don't recommend it. I tell my students this. I don't recommend it at all, because if you tell them that you have a camera, they will either take off, or maybe want to rip the camera off your vehicle. Who knows? I mean, what type of people you're dealing with out there, I want to show you guys a video. Very interesting video. As a matter of fact, I'm going to play it right now. Here we go. Ooh, picture in picture. Check this out, guys. This is the video that I wanted to show you. It's a pair of scammers. And you're going to see what happens. It's going to be a motorcycle guy. But actually, let me just play the video and show you what I mean, guys. Here we go. Watch this video.
Dashboard cameras aren't exactly popular here in the United States outside of law enforcement, but after you watch this video, you may want to put one in your car. This is a pair of insurance scammers. We're in the UK, and they're caught red-handed thanks to a woman who has a dashboard cam. Check it out. She's driving down the road. Now check out this guy. He backs in his bike there. Oh, that didn't happen. Rams right into the bump.
And of course, this guy right here outside, he's in on it too. He's going to tell the driver that she did hit him. The driver is a female. The driver is going to come out the vehicle. She is going to tell them that she has a camera. And she should have not done that. She should have waited until the cops arrived. Because watch what happens when she tells them that she has a camera.
Bumper jumps up the hood himself. Now the woman completely freaked out by what's going on. Now look at the guy. He comes out from the corner. He's like, hey, I saw everything. I saw it all. She was at fault. That's when she, right here, she's going to point to her. I've got a camera right there. And both these guys make a run for it.
Oh, you're
Look out. Watch this part. One guy runs to the right there, the guy with the bike on the left. And he goes, hey, buddy, this way. This way. And then he runs. And here's, look at that. Isn't that crazy?
Wow. What is he, a soccer player?
What is he, a soccer player? And you saw how he twisted his neck or his head. It was like, bent down like that or something. He was making it look like he hurt his head or neck or something. Watch, I'm going to rewind that a little bit. Check this out.
This part. One guy runs to the right there, the guy with the bike on the left. And he goes, hey, buddy, this way. This way. And then he runs. And here's, look at that. Isn't that crazy?
There you go. He bent his head down. Put his head off forward.
Wow. What is he, a soccer player?
Unbelievable.
That's good.
I don't know how much dashboard cams are, but that could be a new good gift.
Good one.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, the smoking gun right there.
What is he, a soccer player?
Unbelievable.
Incredible, guys. That's what I mean about, these insurance scammers. Guys, you got to watch out for them, They are out there. They're all over the world. If you watch YouTube videos, here watch videos here on YouTube and you will see them. Type in scammers, insurance scammers, or insurance fraud, you know. So there you go, guys. That is another reason to have a dash camera, guys. So watch out for those scammers, guys. Watch out for those scammers, insurance scammers. Well, guys, I will let you go. That guy changed his mind up ahead. He was gonna take the highway. He changed his mind. Take it easy, guys. Always be safe. Stay positive. We're living in a crazy world, guys. Stay positive. Remember, don't let anyone tell you you can't, because you can. Stay positive, guys. Later.